Decomposers by Jake, Kendall, and Dominic.
How do worms decompose? What functions do they have and how do they do it? Is an organism that breaks down dead matter.
Decomposers are an essential part of an ecosystem.
Without them, the food web wouldn't work.
Research I found out about the role of worms, what elements are being recycled, and what would happen without it. Without the role of a decomposer, an ecosystem could not function. This is because when a decomposer breaks down, it gives off many useful substances. For example, would be carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These elements must be recycled. Without their consistent work of recycling the dead, all life depends on the role of a decomposer.
The main things a decomposer does is they use oxygen to gain energy and drive their own life processes. They also release nutrients back into the environment for other organisms to use.
Earthworms can grow up to 120 centimeters long and eat over 65% of their body weight.
A decomposer such as a worm will break down dead matter. First, there obviously needs to be dead matter. After that, they'll break it down. Examples of this would be leaves or dead animals. When they break it down, many useful materials will be set off back into the ecosystem. Without this process, the ecosystem wouldn't be able to keep going, because all these living things need helpful elements such as nitrogen, hydrogen, that come from the dead matter.
In our experiment, we found out that decomposers are a very important role in an ecosystem. Decomposers will always be breaking down matter, and without it, the life cycle would not go around.